For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to my video series part 6 of aviation industry terminology. In this video I am going to talk about the terminology which is used while handling the airline ULDs such as the pallets, containers, etc. You are going to learn in this video that how all these ULDs, that is container and pallets, are handled by the airline for different type of aircraft and different type of ULDs. So let us start with the terminology that is used in the airline handling while they handle the ULDs on the aircraft. There are basically two type of ULDs, that is container and pallets. Again, these containers and pallets are further divided in various categories and used based on the commercial requirement of or the type of aircraft that is used by the airline. For example, some of the containers which may be categorized by the airline is like LD3, LD6, ALF, AMF, etc. Same way, for the pallet, there are PMCs, PLA, PGA, and many more. What is the container? Container is a basically completely enclosed unit which interfaces directly with the aircraft for the passenger baggage or cargo loading. What is the pallet? Pallet is basically a flat platform with flat under surface of the standard dimension on which cargo is assembled and secured before being loaded as a unit on the aircraft, and which interfaces directly with the aircraft handling and restraint system. Aircraft pallet net. These are basically webbing or rope net used for restraining load onto the aircraft so that the pallet does not move anywhere when loaded into the aircraft. Airworthiness approval of the ULD. This approval is a certification document from the Civil Aviation Authority to certify that an item complies with all the airworthiness requirement related to its use on board aircraft as laid down by the regulatory authorities for the country in which the aircraft is registered and on which the item is to be used. Cargo loading system, also known as CLS. This is an equipment installed on the floor of an aircraft cargo compartment to restrain aircraft unit and load devices against the flight loads. These items are known as rollers, side guides, and locks for securing unit load device to the aircraft structure. It does not include unit load device, that is ULD, barrier and tie down straps of the ULD. Non-airworthiness of ULD. Any certified ULD having one or more damages exceeding the allowable limit specified at certification label, such ULD cannot be used for loading of cargo or baggage and must be sent for repair. Non-certified container. These containers are exclusively loaded in the lower deck of an aircraft. These type of containers are not subject to airworthiness approval or certification purpose because this may be carried under the condition specified by the aircraft weight and balance manual. Certified container. These containers are equipment approved by an airworthiness authority for installation on board an aircraft. ICE, that is non-ice, which is the dry ice. Dry ice is used in a shipment to maintain required temperature control under the unbreakable cold chain. This ice can also be used in a separate container using the separate ULD where the temperature control is secured. BUP, that is also known as build-up unit. It should be shipper build-up unit or airline build-up unit. Currently, shipper build-up units is not practiced in India. Pivot weight. This is the allowable weight into the ULD, irrespective of the actual capacity of the ULD. This depends the type of commodity or the nature of goods loaded into ULD. Over pivot weight. This is the part of shipment which cannot be fit into the loaded on ULD due to the nature of goods or the commodity. Pieces which cannot fit into the ULD is referred as overflow and be loaded into different ULD or bulk hold of an aircraft depending on the situation, the size and the type of cargo. Over pivot charge. This is the rate charge for overflow of goods that cannot be loaded or accommodated into the ULD of the aircraft. CTM. This is the cargo transfer manifest. This is basically used to transfer the interline cargo where two airlines has an agreement to carry their cargo from point A to point B where the one carrier does not have services and thereby they hire the services of other airline where this CTM, that is cargo transfer manifest, is used. UCM, ULD control masses. This is the masses when the ULDs are used in various type of configuration of the aircraft. The load control has to send a message the type of ULD used in particular aircraft. LDL, lower deck loader. This is the equipment which is used on the aircraft while loading the lower deck pallets or containers into the aircraft. MDL, this is the equipment which is used to load the upper deck ULDs from the ground to the main deck using this MDL, also known as main deck loader. Thank you for watching this video, and if you find this video helpful, please share it with your colleagues and friends so that they are also benefited from this knowledge. And once again, if you have not subscribed the channel, please do so that you can get notification as and when we upload the new video.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.